Okay, so what I have here is a screen recording that I took on my laptop and a video that I recorded on my phone. Now, right now, the audio and the video isn't synced up. So all you need to do to automatically sync the video with the audio is you want to select all the clips in the timeline. So you can just drag your mouse over all the clips, and then all you need to do is right click, find where it says auto align clips right here near the middle. And then you want to click on based on waveform. So it's auto align clips based on waveform. That's just going to take a moment to process and auto align the clips, and they should adjust accordingly. And right now they are aligned. Now I'll do it again to make it look more obvious. If I just move this to the right hand side and then I select them all again, right click, auto align clips based on waveform, it'll do the same process. And just like that, you can see they moved into alignment. And now the audio is synced with the video, and you can just get rid of the audio track that you don't want. So in my case, it'll be the cell phone audio. So I can highlight it, press Alt on my keyboard to select only that audio track, and then I can just cut it. And now I'll only have the good audio that I wanted selected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.